Take the butter paper.
Today students are making ferrous sulfate, and the molecular formula for ferrous sulfate is FeSO4. Okay, so this product we prepared by two reagent, that is iron, Fe, and H2SO4. So for this, now students will explain the process. Now you can start.
First we put the butter paper on the weighing machine, then we tear that.
Tear that.
Because when we tear, this either
The
zero
butter
or
paper weight is
zero. Then we put on iron on that.
we take it 2.5 gram. 2.5 gram.
2.5 gram iron powder. Okay. Now okay. So take this iron powder. Which is 2.5 gram, approximately 2.5 gram. Okay, and take this iron powder in a conical flask. Okay. All the glassware should clean properly before making any product. Now the second step will be
50 ml of
Of
5
H2SO4.
normal H2SO4.
so now students are adding H2SO4 in it, which is 5 normal in an amount of 15 ml. So 15 ml 5 normal H2SO4, which is prepared earlier. So this is 5 normal H2SO4 15 ml. Mixed it with this iron powder in a conical flask.
नीचे रखना ज़्यादा
Take it approximately. Okay? Take it approximately, just take it approximately 15 ml.
Approximately.
Okay, so total 15 ml you already added. Okay, so 15 ml H2SO4 and 2.5 gram of iron powder. Okay, just shake it, mix it well, and now boil it on a hot plate. Okay,
Before it gets concentrated.
before it gets concentrated, you have to heat it. Okay. Okay, so now it gets boiled, and
it get concentrated.
when it gets concentrated, you have to remove the solution from hot plate and filter it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It almost concentrated. Okay. Okay, so this iron is soluble in water or
Ma'am,
Not-
insoluble in water but soluble in acid.
Acid.
okay, so this iron is insoluble in water, pure water, but it is soluble in acidic
Acid
solution,
solution.
dilute acidic solution. Clear solution will obtain in
HCl.
HCl, hydrochloric acid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay. Okay, so it's almost boiled. It is boiled and concentrated as well. Okay. Okay, so now filter it. After boiling, filter the solution in filter paper, normal filter paper. Use a funnel and normal filter paper for filtration process. Okay, and filter it. So now you have to collect the filtrate, right?
No, ma'am.
This is the acidic solution.
Ma'am, this is H2SO4.
Take it. Concentrated or dilute?
Ma'am, dilute.
Okay, so take it
Ma'am, only
in conical flask, okay, to remove the complete iron from it. I think it is concentrated, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now okay, now this is the filtrate, and put this filtrate in a ice cold water, chilled water, right? In a water bath, and keep this till crystals will appear of ferrous sulfate. Okay, so after placing the filtrate in chilled water bath, crystallization of ferrous sulfate is completed, and we collect the ferrous sulfate in crystalline form. So this is the product. After air dry, weigh it and calculate the percentage yield.